Hi guys, happy Friday. For the next couple of Fridays, we're going to be talking about poetry. So today we are going to talk about poems and what makes a poem a poem. Okay, so a poem is normally short. Okay, it normally has a few words a line. It might rhyme, and it may have a song that goes with it or a tune. Okay, so I know that you guys have this poem with you. So go ahead and pull it out. Okay, remember it's the Itsy Bitsy Spider, and we're going to take a look at it and see if it matches our poetry. Okay, so we're going to be looking if it's short, has a few words a line, and if it rhymes, and if it may have a song to it. Okay, so go ahead and get it out. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Did you hear any words that rhymed? That's right, spout and out. Let's count the words that are on the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 words on that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 words on that one. That's a pretty short line. So this does have rhyming. It has short lines. And there is a song that goes with it. Next week, we're going to talk more about the songs. Okay? So I want you to try to read this poem to a friend or your parents at home. Okay? Remember, it's the Itsy Bitsy Spider. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. All right, guys, next week we're going to be doing the same poem, and we are going to be putting a song to it. All right? Have a good afternoon.